That's not how you do a foot down turnaround. TMS handguards. Look at that. Ugh. That's horrible. I dropped my bike maybe 2 or 3 times on each side. Yeah, probably about 3 times on each side, and until recently, both of them kind of look like this. All the molded plastic were broke around the end of the bar, and the shield's all cracked up. It's got long cracks along the bar and everything, and had a lot of problems keeping it tight, and, you know, I filed the inside of the crack, so I got more clamping force to fit on the bars better, and this one always comes loose, and had to space it out a little bit so my levers wouldn't rub. And yeah, and about the fourth, I mean, I barely laid it down in really soft sand. Oh fuck! Oh, dies when I pick it up. What the It bent it so bad. All the plastic was still on it, but it was all cracked up and shit. And it bent it in here, and it bent it in here. I don't know if you can see this or not. I'm wearing my helmet. But yeah, it's like an S-bend there. And then this strut coming off the clamp is all bent in towards the center. And this one's still straight, and it's straight here with the out bend, and this one's like an S, going like that. So, that's what you get for 20 bucks. You can drop your bike a couple times on each side, and then they're toast. Oh yeah, because and then I broke off all the plastic. This just needs to go. There we go. It looks so pretty now. So pretty. That's a lot better. It's still rubbing though. Yeah, it's still fucking rubbing. Goddamn cheap ass bar must be bent. And it was still just, you know, pinning my brake lever like that. And I'm like, what the fuck's going on here? Oop, yep. Bent beyond all fuckards. So I'm just gonna put my stock bar ends back on for now till I decide what type of high quality handguards I want to get. Leave a comment if you have a suggestion, but I'm leaning either towards Cycra or highway dirt bikes. The highway dirt bikes are pretty cool, but they're a little spendier, but their mounting system is like rock solid in the bars, because you tap your bars, thread it. Yeah, if you know of any other high quality options, leave a comment, or I might be dead. What the fuck's all that oil coming from? I can't believe the cheap quality of these handguards. I guess maybe that's why good ones cost $100 instead of $20.